Originally I was thinking today, I was after church, I got home and I did the snow tires on the truck. And I was thinking, well, maybe if I'm lucky I can get a little bit of work done on the shed. But then I thought, well, I ought to go put some gas in the Jeep, and as I started out the driveway, I had a flat tire. So I fixed that. Then I got looked at the sob and I thought, well, it looks like it's got a tire going slack too, so I fixed that. So I didn't actually get much done here. But I don't care. Sun's gone in, it's cloudy, I think it's going to snow. It's starting to get cold. The sun disappears on a day like today. Ooh, it gets wicked cold. It was like 10 degrees this morning, and it didn't get up to 15 until well up into the day. So anyway, that's enough work. I'm going to go in the house, and I got Honey Baby's got a light she might want me to put up, so I might just work on that today. It's a lot nicer to work inside when it's this cold, so that's it. See y'all. Alrighty then, I have been saying it was going to snow, and today's the day. So, all that work we've been doing, putting on snow tires and cleaning up the yard, all going to pay off now. Time to get off to work, and I've got my little Stowboat 50 Christmas tree in here on the dash. I don't have it standing up, but I'll work with that as we go. And we'll ease off to work now.